Hey guys, welcome to Comprod Garage. Nick Reinhardt, Sales Manager here at Competition Products. The first thing we're going to kind of go over is this oil pan kit that we kind of developed for a lot of people that were just asking for it, to put something in a kit for us that would give them all the components they need to put this pan kit on and save them money in the end also. What you're going to get in these oil pan kits here is a brand new stamped steel oil pan, a brand new set of bolts, oil pump screen, oil pump, and gasket. These are available for small block Chevy, big block Chevy, small block Ford, small block Chrysler, and Pontiac. So they are on our website. The pricing does start at $74.95. So check them out.